Ni VP Sara guys, si Kitty Duterte. Ayun na guys.
Duterte. 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 Hindi mo ano.
Duterte, Duterte. Kitty.
Nada.
Ano na si Kitty. Anak niya.
Hi, Cyrone.
Hi.
What's your name? What's your name?
Bellamy.
Bellamy?
Abangan natin ang ulat tungkol kay tatay. Unang question po is, kasama niyo po si Bibi sa Lanang today.
Yes, it was good meeting today. Actually, it was a very cheerful and lively visit today. Because syempre, nakita sa mga papa, yung mga girls. Actually, as we entered the room, nandun na siya. It was early today, maybe because alam niya kami dalawa yung bisita. It was early today and nakatalikod siya. So pagpasok namin nakatalikod na. I shouted, Dada Yuki! Pag-diwan niya, ayun, naka-smile. And then, syempre, nag-beso kami, nagmano, nag-hug. And then, sabi niya, my little girl. So, yun yung tawag niya sa amin ng sister ko, si VP Sara, little girls niya daw. So, today, medyo mahaba yung kwentuhan and he was, bumalik yung pagka-humorous niya nung kaming dalawa yung nandun and he was even, joking around kasi may microphone doon, tinatabunan niya, tapos ganyan na naman, nakausap niya yung whoever's monitoring it. So yeah, it was a very parang cheerful visit today. He was instructing my my sister on and I kung ano yung mga bilhin niya sa amin and yeah, messages to the family of course. And ayun, pinalita ng sister ko na all of you are here today to of course again show your unwavering support again. And ayun, of course nagpapasalamat there are each and every one of you. Also, I want to relate to you my sister's VP Sara's message for the next year. Okay, so mga kababayan, PRRD has requested that all 4 children visit him at the same time. Veronica will be the one to give the Thanksgiving message to the supporters in Duterte Street and provide updates as this is her scheduled term to visit. I am here only upon PRRD's special request that I spend time with my siblings, especially Veronica. Daghang salamat, Sara Duterte. So, yan yung mensahe niya. Siyempre, I understand also that medyo hectic yung schedule niya. So, she can only be there for that. Ayun, pinapaabot niya yung pasasalamat niya sa inyo.
Yung mga opinion po niya, yung mga hindi masyadong personal kasi neutral. Ay, yung mga personal.
Yung mga ano lang, he gave fatherly advice to my 2 brothers. Manong Colong, Congressman Colong, na yung mga fatherly advice na steady lang, take it easy, relax lang. And kay may Vice Mayor Sebastian, relax lang, slow down, ganon. So yung fatherly advice, bigyan niya kami. And of course, nagbilin siya na okay yung mga apo ko, whenever they can visit, sila visit. And kasi ano daw, of course, hindi slowly talaga. I think more that my sister and I visiting him today really gave him the additional push and the grit that he needed. He will keep moving forward, keep fighting. Because if only you know, at this point, he's not fighting for himself anymore. He told us na I'm old and I believe that I've fulfilled my duty and I'm done. So the only reason I am here, the only purpose I have left is to fight him. Yun kasi, I think that kind of speaks to what kind of father, leader, and person he is now. tayo, kami, also we feel that tayo yung nag-rock, we are strong, we are the anchor, we are what keeps him going, what keeps him steady, and what keeps him strong.
Meron ba ko sila napag-usapan na character?
Affairs, ang dami. Kasi, since nag-usap sila, so may time na ako na nanahimik lang ako, and then nag-hug lang ako sa kanya. Magkaharap kasi sila ni Lily, tapos ako yung lagyan. I think pinag-usapan nila yung current state ng Davao pa rin, and he's very proud of Vice Mayor Baste, sila Kong Pudong, Kong Omar, and si Igo, si Councilor, Vice Mayor, and pinag-usapan nila ang development ng Davao. And of course, ako finish, kamusta na ba? Masabay yung mga tao, kamusta yung mga Filipino, RTOA, kasi we're not president anymore, so hindi na ganun kalaki yung magagawa niya, but he's always he reassured us na the Filipino people are always on his mind, yun pa rin hindi sila
Did former President Duterte mention and discuss with you his message of faith present for the Kadayon Festival in Davao?
He misses Kadayawan.
Tagunan naman ito ang camera.
Misses Kadayawan. Talagang naalala niya yung different festivals and different showcases of culture in Davao. Kasi iba-iba yan yung mga parade from the pageant. So he misses his city and he misses Davao City, and sabi niya, balang araw, one day, makabalik siya.
Yung apat kayo makakabisita, wait will happen.
We are waiting on the schedule of Pampulong and Vice Mayor Baste now. So, actually, no, medyo everything was kind of rushed. So, we are still arranging it. But I think it's either by the end of the month or next month. Sasabay kami apat kasi special request.
He will be here for the confirmation process.
That I do not know, but she is, I think she is planning to out her schedule. But cannot say for sure pa kasi hindi naman basta-basta pwede umalis.
Give us, Veronica Kitty Duterte, what's your message to the entire Filipino community supporting the father, unwavering up until now approaching 6 months?
So, I just want to let you all know that I've seen how high spirits have helped my father, because that is how he'll bring him to his senses, like by uplifting him, encouraging him, and just constantly being there. So I encourage everyone, keep showing up, keep up the faith, and of course, we still have to move forward with our lives, but wag sana natin siyang kalimutan.
Last question.
And maraming salamat.
Last question. How about the health of the former president? Can you share with us?
Yes, I asked around, of course, sa detention unit, and they said he's eating well. Actually, my father kasi is naturally skinny because of genetics. His mother is skinny. My nanay is skinny also. Kaya kahit anong kain niya, payat pa rin. And it also comes to the old age, of course. So he's eating. Siguro not ideal yung eating time niya and the amount of food that he eats. But he's eating from time to time now kasi he has 24 hours to nila. So nakikita siyang mabunot-bunot ng mga sa kusina. So ganyan siya gusto niya yung maya-maya, and then gusto niya yung later in the afternoon na kumain. But sometimes they have to push him to eat para naman ma-enjoy yung meditation.
Thank you, Kim.
Yes.
Man Kitty, hi. I flew from London to be here this morning, and this is my 13th time to come to The Hague, and I've supported your father since the time of the Duterte administration. And I'm just wondering how you cope. I get relentlessly bashed, so many comments on Facebook and social media, and some people can be really harsh and nasty. And I'm just wondering if, as a family, if you moderate those comments, you look at those comments, because I know you look tired, you look maybe sick, if you don't mind me saying, because of your schedule and everything else. How are you coping?
So I grew up in the public eye, so I've been exposed to the public ever since. And over the years growing up, I've received a lot of countless scrutiny, criticism on that, and on that. But I think, again, I'd like to reiterate that it comes from the upbringing from my parents. Yes, I am very gentle towards people that I love. But I'm also very tough, and I'm not sensitive at all. So I'm not sensitive at all. So ayun, to be honest, if there's anything that bothers me, it's my father's situation. I've never really felt bothered, even as a teen before, with regards to the public scrutiny that I would say. So I'm doing fine with that, and as cliche as it sounds, I am really unbothered with
Proud of you.
like, kumbaga sabi ka, malayo sa bituin ka, hindi naman yan nakakamatay. The worst thing that scrutiny can do.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so let's the first timers, let's give them priority, but everyone can line up here. Okay, mga youth, mga first timers, sino mag-volunteer? Ano yung mga kanina? Ganun po tayo para first timers.
Diyan ang pila para may kitir, wala na, bumalik actually, nandito si Big
Gani. Nga gani ko.
Hectic daw po yung schedule ni VP. So, binasa na lang po yung sulat or yung pinadala na lang po ni VP through text message na binasa na ni Dito kayo! Dito pala ang first timer! Yes.
Ay, dyan na kayo.
First timer kasi yan sila.
First timer.
Dito, first timer.